Brooklyn, welcome back. Today I am so excited because we're gonna be doing a first look at the new Beats Fit Pro. I went to the Apple store today and I picked these up, so we're gonna be doing an unboxing. I have not seen these in person yet. I've watched a few reviews on them and they look in the reviews a little bit pinkish, so I'm really excited to see if they're as purple as I want them. You guys are gonna find out with me, and yeah, let's unbox this. Okay, so the highlight of all unboxing, we got these tabs. That's so satisfying, I love it. Also, I have to tell you guys, because I haven't seen these yet, I am a little bit shaky because I'm really excited. Okay, we got that part. Oh my gosh. Okay, definitely the exact purple I wanted them to be. They're not as pink as I thought, so I'm really excited about that. So cute. Okay, let's put that aside. Holy crap, I really am shaking. But we'll put that aside and look at what the box contains. Not as fun of a part. Actually, this is a fun part because the Beats Pro comes with this USB-C, which is new. It usually has a lightning cable and all the AirPods have lightning cable, so they have switched to that. And then, let's see, it's telling me to open this up. Can we rip it? Oh no. It has the little buds here, small and big, which the big ones will probably never be used in my ears. Small girl, so yeah, small ears. And then we got maybe paperwork. Oh, we got 3 months free of Apple Music. That's dope. And then I think these are just kind of instructions. Woo! Comes with this sticker. I'm a little disappointed and confused about this sticker because the Beats Fit Pro don't even come in this classic red color, and I want this to be the stone purple. I want the sticker to match, but still awesome, cool. I get a sticker. And then we got these more instructions. Awesome. Oh, we haven't even opened this up yet. Then we gotta look at the actual pods. That's so cute, and I love this gray with it, the contrast. I'm really excited to try these on and talk more about it. Beats Fit Pro is very similar to AirPods Pro. We have transparency mode, active noise cancellation, and spatial audio, which is great for surround sound. This is awesome because you can pop these babies in and immerse yourself in the world of audio. One of the coolest things, in my opinion, is it has adaptive EQ, which is really cool because it monitors the sound and the shape of your ear, the size of your ear, and how you're moving. So then it sounds exactly how it's supposed to sound. Beats Fit Pro, along with any other headset that has the H1 chip, is super easy to set up. You just open up the case and it pops up on the iPhone and you click connect, boom, connected. It's also super easy because it's Bluetooth to set up with any Android or a computer or anything like that. Super easy setup, really nice. I haven't tried them on yet either, so we're gonna put them in. Ooh, little magnet guy. I like that. I wanted to talk about the button. So these have little buttons on the side. Now I can't hear anything. But yes, they are buttons. So I would say that the AirPods are definitely winning in that category. They don't have buttons, you can just tap. But if you just push, it can stop or start. And then if you hold it down, it turns it on or off. The silicone tips. I actually am really excited that these Beats have the silicone tips. I know some people find them uncomfortable. Personally, I really like them a lot. And I have actually been using some of the Beats Studio over-the-head headphones because my AirPods, I have AirPods 2, and they're just not comfortable because they don't have the silicone tips. Yes, I probably should try out the AirPods Pro with the silicone tips, but I mean, guys, come on, this is purple. Why would I not just get these? I have here with me today, actually, Beats Studio buds, and I wanted to talk about the difference in the buds because the Beats Fit Pro have added this little wing to attach to the side of your ear to make it more secure in your ear so it's not gonna fall out, which is really exciting because they haven't had that in the past. Yeah, so Plus side, I was really excited. I don't know how to put them back in. Oh, just match it up, Brooklyn. Holy crap. Plus side, I really do like the silicone tips, and I'm really excited that these Beats Fit Pro has them. The battery. Everyone's always so curious about how long the headphones will last without a charge. And just the buds will be 6 hours, which is awesome. And then with the case, it gives you an extra 18 hours. That's with noise cancellation on. So if you have that turned off, it does save you a little bit of battery. But very fast charging. 5 minutes can get you up to an hour's worth of charge. The price of these are $200. So the Beats Fit Pro definitely is winning in that section if we are comparing to the AirPods Pro. They are a $50 difference. The AirPods Pro are $250. So that's a plus side with the Beats Fit Pro. They are a little bit cheaper, and you're getting almost the same thing, but not this cute color. Okay, so obviously I'm very pro, get it, about the Beats Fit Pro, but I did want to say a downside with this. If you notice here, the cases, there's obviously a difference. These are quite a bit bigger than all of the AirPods. I actually have my AirPods on my keys. I have them hanging. Well, I'm not gonna be able to do that. This thing's pretty big. So if I'm working out, I'm obviously gonna just bring the buds and not take that with me. But if I wanna walk around with it, that's gonna be really big in my pocket. So that definitely is a downside. So for me, the Beats Fit Pro, I am most likely gonna be using around the house and going to the gym, on walks, whatever I'm doing. But for the convenience sake, I'm probably not going to be carrying it around just because of how big it is. Since I do have the AirPods, I'm gonna most likely keep them on my keychain, and it will be nice to have those just to have. But I'm not really one to like carry around a purse, so it would be really annoying to kind of just hold this big case here. But if you are one that has a purse, then you can just pop it right in, and it might not even be a problem for you at all. I really want to do a review on the differences between the AirPods Pro and the AirPods 3 that just came out, along with the Beats Fit Pro, and just talk about the sounds and the differences. So let me know in the comments if you guys are interested. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'm really excited to try out these new cute stone purple Beats Fit Pro. And thank you guys so much, for real. We have a lot more views on our past videos, so that's been really exciting, and I really thank you guys for that. I am so excited to try these out, so I'm actually gonna just go right now, but I really appreciate you guys. Bye.